Natural organic fertilizer for any plants. In today's world of gardening, nothing nourishes plants better than natural organic fertilizer. It's not only safe for your plants but also for the environment. Let's understand how you can make a powerful organic fertilizer at home that works for almost every type of plant. Start by collecting simple natural ingredients: kitchen waste, banana peels, used tea leaves, vegetable scraps, and eggshells. These items are full of nutrients like potassium, calcium, and nitrogen that are essential for healthy plant growth. Begin by drying banana peels and eggshells in sunlight. Once dried, crush them into a fine powder. Banana peels boost flowering and fruiting, while eggshells add calcium to strengthen plant roots. Next, take your used tea leaves and rinse them well to remove any sugar or milk. Mix them with a little compost or soil. This mixture will improve soil texture and provide nitrogen for lush green leaves. For an even stronger natural fertilizer, you can make compost tea. Fill a bucket with water, add compost or cow dung, and let it sit for 2 to 3 days. Stir it once daily. This liquid fertilizer can be used to water plants once a week, promoting fast and healthy growth. You can also make a banana peel liquid fertilizer by soaking peels in water for 4 to 5 days. The water will turn into a nutrient-rich solution that helps plants bloom beautifully. Remember, organic fertilizers work slowly but steadily. They enrich the soil with natural nutrients, improve microbial activity, and help plants grow stronger from the roots up. Whether you grow flowers, vegetables, or indoor plants, these homemade fertilizers will keep them thriving naturally, without chemicals, without harm, and with long-lasting results.